Okay, this is our app for SharePoint online, and you can see there as in Office 365. I tap and go through to an Azure interface where I can view all of my committees and my meetings. I view the meetings for the committees I select. I can click the meetings at the top to view preview any individual meeting. But what I'll do here is I'll click the plus button to create a new meeting. I give the meeting, choose the committee, i.e. the board at the bottom left. Give it a description, a title, a start time, end time, and all the other information is optional, like location. What that's then going to do is it's going to create all the agenda and list items in SharePoint online on Office 365 for my meeting. And what I can now do is click through to that meeting on the right hand side, and I can copy an agenda from a previous meeting, which will copy all the list items from the meeting I choose. Or I could just go into edit in data sheet to populate this meeting. Here we're going to copy from meeting number 1. That copies all the list items into the meeting. And I've also got some documents ready here. So I've got all sorts of types of different documents in a folder. And I'm going to drag and drop those documents into the meeting. And again, they're going to get uploaded to SharePoint Online. Take a few seconds to do all that, and then you'll see them at the bottom of the meeting. And then when they're in there, what I can do is click the little edit button at the top on the top bar, the third icon along on the agenda bar, I can then scroll down to the bottom. And I can start to drag. Once I click edit, I can start to drag and drop those documents into the meeting, and I can start to rearrange this meeting how I want it to look. So what I'm doing here is dragging those in, but what I'll also do is I'll drag and drop some agenda items around to rearrange the meeting. And then when we've done that, the meeting is prepared, and there's a little settings cog at the top that you can use if you want to publish the meeting, which will generate emails and on mobile devices push notifications out to people. Attendees on the right looks very similar. It's just a list of attendees, and you can copy attendees from the previous meeting. So that is the MeetingSquared solution.